Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the Delmonico red and it looks great. Up front here you do have bifunction projector style headlights with the fog lights just down there. You got the Laramie grille right over here and it looks awesome. Coming around the side here you do have 20-inch rims right there with your tires. They look awesome. There's tons of tread still left on them. They look great, and those rims are really nice in the black. Around the side here you do have heated mirrors. They are the tow mirrors as well with the turning signals on them so people will know where you're going. You have the running boards along the bottom there, and then over here you do have some storage boxes, the Ram boxes right here. So you just press those in and lift them up and you can get right into there, and you can use it for storage as well. Now coming around the back here, you do have your backup camera there as well as the Laramie logo, and you also have the 4x4 logo there. And it does come with a 6-foot box with the bed liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up, and you do have that guide there so things won't be getting wet in there or anything like that. It'll keep it nice and safe. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 presses to unlock, you got 1 press to lock, you got this guy which actually lowers it down, making it easier to get in and out. That's why it's really low right now. Then you also got 2 presses to activate your remote start, which of course is super nice, especially in the winter like right now. It'll get it nice and warm for you and you can get going a little quicker. When it is locked, it does have the proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, you put your hand in there, it will unlock for you, plus you got the button if you did want to use that to unlock it or lock it. Now we also have some chrome accenting on the handle here, as well as you have power windows, mirrors, and locks all hanging out here. You got that kind of wood accent here. Got a handle, some storage, and some more down here, as well as some cup holders. You got the controls over your seats here, so back and forward. You can tilt it back and forth, lumbar support, and the memory seats. And then you also have the controls over your lights, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as you have your in-cabin light control there. This guy here does control your high beams and your turning signals and your windshield wipers, and this guy brings in the pedals closer or farther away to help you drive a little bit better. On the back of the steering wheel here we do have the control over over our channel. On the other side there's an identical one for the volume. Okay, keys are in my pocket. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it'll start right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge. We got our battery life and our oil. So then we can also change that guy in the middle from our speed to, we have our vehicle info, we have the fuel economy, trip A, trip B, you have your trailer tow options, your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. Plus on here it does say your miles per 100 gallons per 100 kilometers. You got your average, you have which way we're facing, we have what channel we're on, and the temperature outside. And that is all controlled right from your steering wheel here. As well, you do have your voice recognition, your call button, your horn, and your cruise control options. And then over here we do have our gear shift, so you just shift it just like this. When you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera. It is telling us that there's something behind us. And then as well, you do have the controls over your 4-wheel auto, your lock, your low, and your 2-wheel. And then in the center here you do have a 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you got AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as you have your media devices here, so you have your disc, your USB, your aux cord, and your Bluetooth. As well, you do have your controls here, so you got your vented seats, your heated steering wheel, backup camera, mirror dimmer, all that, as well as your heated seats for your passenger side. You got all your apps here you can access. You have your climate control. You can change all that with the dual climate as well for you and your passenger. Then you also have your navigation. You can go right into there through here. We are in Rec Place, of course. And then you do have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You can do all those things through there. In the climate controls here, you have your volume up and down, your screen off, your hazard lights, your back button, your browser. Then you also have your AC, your circulation, heat up and down for you and your passenger. You have the power, the off, the auto. Then you have the front and rear defrost. And then down here you have your trailer tow guy. You got your, this one's to raise and lower it for your air brake, or your air ride, there we go. You have your traction control, your tow and haul mode, your heated seats, your vented seats, heated steering wheel, and then same for your other side. And then you can turn the front and rear park assist off. This guy is a little bit of storage. Then you got lots of storage in here, and you can put a phone in here and it'll sit right up. You have right here your cup holders, of course, And then this guy, you open it up, and you do got lots of room in here as well. You do have some you have a USB plug-in. You got a another USB, as well as a aux cord plug-in right there, and some coin holders here. It is dual layer, so you can open up the bottom layer as well. You have some headphones in there. Then you also have a CD player or a DVD player. I'll show you where that goes in a second. And then over here we do have our dual glove boxes, top and bottom. Got your owner's manual in there as well. And then up top here we do have the controls over our sunroof, over our back window, and our universal garage door opener. And there is our sunroof right there. Okay, let's take a look here. Open this guy up. Now they do have the chrome accenting here as well as the wood. And then you have your controls over your own window. You got a handle. You also have a little bit of storage here, and you do have that same leather back here. It's very nice, very soft. You can pull this guy down, and you do have some cup holders here as well. You got this guy up here. You press this button, this folds down, and it is a very large screen. It looks awesome. It's very clear. You got all your options there. You can do things through there. You also have your rear seats are heated as well, and you got a plug in there. And then you can lift them up as well, just like this, and you got some storage right underneath. Same on the other side as well. You can lift this guy up, and you do have a little bit of storage right under there as well. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself, come on down to Northland Dodge and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.